Okay, hello and welcome to your program. We had my name is Ali Sise, and on the line I get
Usman Justin again. Sorry, we are lost Paula due to the COVID-19. You mentioned the way them boots that we for the distance with anybody else make we know we get together. Once more again, Usman Justin. And
indeed, it is distance with me right now. Well, we're going to the program proper one. This now we had, and today na Tuesday, the 7th day of April 2020. Today na the last day of the lockdown, for the first lockdown where Salon don't give for the 3 days. And but plenty things then don't happen inside there. Plenty big people that don't talk inside there. And I'll tell you something. The thing when Fatima Bio talk, it really shocked me. It came very strong. It shocked me. You go this it go interest you for know exactly what he talk. For let you know say this na iron lady, but whatever way you get for class and whatever way you get for talk, it left to you. Me no say it can very hard, but this thing no way talk. And the thing where I hear come on a month, it surprised me. And this now for the first time, you know, ever don't come across this it. So no go no say you. Continue for watch with the brilliant come to you any minute from now. Justin, plenty things that happen. You hear the first issue where come up for them French, doctors them concerning the corona vaccine, say Africa forbid testing ground.
Yes, because we get the information the way WHO pull, where I believe CSF will not get a small idea of where they try for tell we say this not supposed to be. Why in Africa they go be? It sounds racist to them. But just pull a vaccine like that one, they don't test them to the Naya. They say for go test them in Africa. Why not them? Always in Africa. I don't know how really we are take we.
Well, don't listen to WHO as them they come up with this particular, issue on the coronavirus vaccine, where them French doctors they also say them for test in Africa.
On the vaccines issue, there was, I think, a comment last week from some couple of scientists who said the testing ground for the new vaccines will be Africa. To be honest, I was so appalled, and it was a time when I said, when we needed solidarity, this kind of racist remarks actually would not help. It goes against the solidarity. Africa cannot and will not be a testing ground for any vaccine. We will follow all the rules to test any vaccine or therapeutics all over the world using exactly the same rule. Whether it's in Europe, Africa, or wherever, we will use the same protocol, and if there is a need to be tested elsewhere, to treat human beings the same way, equally. And the hangover from a colonial mentality has to stop. And WHO will not allow this to happen. And it was a disgrace, actually, and appalling to hear during the 21st century from scientists that kind of remark. And we condemn this with the strongest terms possible. But we assure you that this will not happen in Africa and will not happen elsewhere in any country. Proper protocols will be followed, and human beings will be treated as human beings, because we are all human beings.
Yeah, everything they don't talk, then go follow the right procedure. Because actually, then people also been they say when it comes to the HIV, vaccine, they may go test in Africa, prostitute them according to them. Africa not able to take care of themselves. Africa not able to provide masks and other things, and so they need for go back and go test this vaccine in Africa for see if it work proper one. But I'm happy that the WHO don't come out very strong on this particular thing.
projects, white man they just bring na your country, you own am with 2 hands. Some of them projects tell them plan the car with, then they put money before, but at the end of the day, then they go suffer. And like some of them things they have. You know? Some of the NGOs they are already welcome now in countries. The nature of the country is so bad. So this is not just an advice to the leaders.
Alright, gladly that WHO don't come very strong on this. But anyway, let we left Dande. They don't take care of Dande. We just want for Rob more small bits. And I want for sincerely apologize. Because it's where the first, where this thing come up first, I've been surprised. I've not been believing. You know, fake news there now, then they plenty. You know, I've not been believing. And I talk, say we need to be very careful with the kind of information there. So, but when I begin see it, they come up now reliable, you know, websites and this and that, and I say, oh my God. So I want to say sorry because myself a mistake. You know, I'm not be able to forget, you know, the right thing at that very point there. You know, I know big for say sorry for make mistake. Let me go now to the next thing. Fake news. You been put your phone off day before yesterday, where the lockdown began as alone?
Never. I don't ever put them off, and I don't need to put them off even.
But people in the talk say, you know, voice makes not be go out on social media say therefore put phone off, because if you not put your phone off, they want for act the thing at the global. And this particular la plan for Ileyeri, because sometimes they may not elect for interpret some word.
Excuse me, you say global? How do you pronounce the word?
No, global. What happened?
No, just people now.
No, the word global. Hold on, Arekam. The word global. Don't listen to this first here. We send this particular audio here. Lay here waiting said we say.
Mommy Sheen, make sure say you tell everybody na host the one na all day na host day. Make sure say everybody turn in phone off. Let you not sleep with your phone. Around 10 o'clock phone them for the off. The wall global. Then they change everything inside phone system. Then get thing where then they do today at the wall, where they turn all over the wall. If anything, then say it explode, it damage you, or it cause trouble. Anybody who know say get tablet, you get phone before 10 o'clock, 10 in the morning. Let nobody not touch in phone, let nobody not touch in tablet. The old world is a global. It's going round today in the wall. Be careful.
Yeah.
You know, you see that kind of people there, where even for pronounce the word na problem for them, and then they kill people them out there. You will just don't drink it, see it not tea, it drink or whatsoever it eats. You wake up, go on the phone, give wrong information to people out there, especially with people that are in Africa and they suffer from this. Because me and you, nobody will not able to fool me. When you talk something, I get over the research and get the real source of it. You understand? When you check, we the diaspora as them, they give that information to put it down there. Because we know say anything will tell them, because they're not afraid with internet. Anything will tell them that they take. How you will just grab, they give them that information. Of course, now I don't put my phone on, if it there, or I'm not put off, sorry, if it there, on table clean. Because this is not a better information, now wrong information, now fake news. Now this we always say talk.
You know that they more and more. Then mommy then pa them we just get WhatsApp or then phone they no more way they're not able to understand proper one. Where they send on their phone they hear them, or some side they not to say that, so then pa them they listen for themselves phone. Now tell them, go tell them, hey pa, hey the mommy, you know you everything and say today you phone, you for put her off, or if you don't put her off, it will explode by you. And the woman make mention of phone and tablet, That's the interesting part of them. The tablet, some of the mommy they don't understand. When they say tablet and fixing a medicine back. So after when they don't take their phone, they don't go put on a they don't go keep her. Then take back the tablet them. Then pull them, come on there. So look at this. If they get hypertension or other things then that thing they worry them. Then they don't medicine back with them for drink. They say when I pull them tablets then they don't understand. They're fixing a medicine. Then pull up. You see the problem with them because you know, I hate to make mention of this, but now this fake news the other day when they say that they go give them picking injection at hospital, na school, we make this young lady, they run for go take in pickle as any care your mama can do. they go and get attack. Some of them with people there, so we say they get education, we enlighten, we don't live in the diaspora. They're very wicked. We camp on tribalism at the beginning. We camp on anything bad information at the beginning. How on earth what am I with this one?
Of course. You know, and some of them people at the equator they say, we get people out there right now where they use the social media for cause problem, then they abuse them. They don't even know what is the social media there for. The small facilities will get people that they use them for do all kinds of things not correct. Because of information, the way they give you person. So but not you person back not understand and forward them and then group them because now some of them even read and try to find out for information. As you can inform back, you don't download. Before you listen, you don't forward down. The more you forward down, the more it causes problem.
Now, this is common. Let me left down a day. If the lockdown they come to an end today, plenty things will happen. I want to start with the most recent one that happened this morning. You know, where one police OSD officer, Delta, where in Peking taking gun and go shoot. You know, shoot rapidly 3 times. And then this being creates problem. But let me look at how the people in the area they react to this.
Because they look at and say, you don't even know the job. And wait till you know, Salon, we know they can war. You understand? Only you as an officer, if you come work, you can't pin you gone. In court one. You understand? We know they can war. Salon is a peaceful country right now. This officer, what is an intention, even when in weapon for their cock, not the go where if you get access to them for go fire, in case that picking for kill that mommy, this policeman are in person. Because if that weapon in our program, where he can away, he pull the magazine, because if you know say get picking, we then engage at the day, before always be vigilant or know what you do. So waiting at the intention of this police officer for even bring this weapon home in Port one, for me the need for put and bind bars, let them ask some questions there.
You see, because for me, yes, you're right. But for me, I think the way back how people react to this thing, for me, it not being necessary, then take the law at the hand, you know. Although, again, because of the way how things don't only happen at Salon, you know, officers will come and shoot person, nothing not more better. So the people then don't become very angry, and now don't see say anything they happen, then say for take the law, and implement what they call mob justice.
Goes around, comes around. The people that beat the officer, for me, I'm okay with that. Now, waiting, then they can do now, it turn around, come it up. You understand? You don't say, their mama be don't instruct them for to start a team for carriage at that point. So, me, I'm not got a problem with that. Now, the breeze night, just meet them.
Okay, and I'm not going to go any side. We get something. I always repeat this again. Something there where Fatima Bio, you know, talk. We shock. We serious one. And I will tell you, this one not ever don't come across them. For the first time we will come you now. So no go on say yo, when they come to that day, Gigi's no. It is still so it really shocked me. I'm not been feel say, yeah. I don't know, but anyway, low less than day. Let's go to another thing. Good things that happen. First of all, I want to tell plenty thank you to the president and the government of Salon for where they're able to implement this lockdown. And I want to tell plenty thank you to people who really comply, who really, you know, be law abiding for observe this lockdown. For make the government go able for do what it go able for do, let we able for curtail or pull this sick common our country, fine one. Capable on the people them they really try. I get pictures, see places them where they really inside their host them. Then surprise me, they impress me. You get some parts in Freetown where again they really quiet, the provincial area and all of them things, then they be really quiet. But before I go again to danger thing, I forget. People in Nabo, down they complain. Then the complaint say them people in the die right now, they're not able to go beg them, and the both people they not get ambulance, they're not enough for the go take people for go beg them. The burial team, for example, not able to handle the burial right now in Abo because of the lack of resources. So at the call on the government, you know, the DMO for the both districts, the CMO Chief Medical Officer and the Minister of Health and for let them intervene, let them able for see how they go able for equip them burial team there. So now different parts of the country, because this nothing we I just get this morning as they within into the last day of the coronavirus lockdown where they just don't give us. Now let me go to things that will happen inside Freetown, the capital. This first thing we'll deal with, we get for the fire and Mount Toria they happen. You know, by Stako, now the eastern part of Freetown, that Mount Toria right up the hill. Now this firing take place this morning around 8 to 9 o'clock in the morning. Now it happen. But other things they happen.
I don't see for myself what happen with the people who are facing that for protect tree and guard you in that country. When the police and the officers them, this is not the video we don't play. This is not the action of the soldiers the way they do. This is not proper action. We're not going to answer in the comment section below. But for me, I don't feel it right for you as an officer to not treat a citizen like this. Because one thing we get for Tinkpot, we for no sense alone, we get people there, when are homeless people there. We get for Tinkpot that. We get people there where if you say, as I say, they don't get side for sleep. Only that next they can go to the market there or something go to there, then go down and sleep and money then they get for grab and go about their own business. All they tell for teaching for them. But if we are going to meet up somebody in the street, I feel say we all don't see how the world will go now. As an officer, we get what you call advice. When you meet up person at a certain point of that time, you get for advice and say, who say you go, who say you come out. Because you answer, you tell us, say, no, you're not supposed to be there.
Now, two things into this. One, you know, the way how the officer they behave, enough fine. But some of some people in back, they're really lawless. But that don't mean say they for take the loan and that kind of way. Notwithstanding that, we get plenty of people that were really homeless, like you don't actually say. Especially in that market spaces, you get some laborer that will not get side for sleep at all. Now market table and they sleep. And government don't make provision for them. Other parts of the world, we see the government and they really make provision for the citizens. So when you broke the law now, they no say yes, you don't break the law. You know, even at the advanced world, some side and they shop they open, supermarket they open, people and they go buy. But again, Salomon, if you get 1 inch, they take 1 yard. Now we get for load that day. But that don't mean say waiting the policeman and do well. They not do well at all. But Salomon again, sometimes they can say some of we na abobo. We no want cold water until they give you hot water. Now we they live by example. When we see that kind of thing that happen, so some other people are not good again. But not to that again, no. Now look at this one again, we happen again na Stako, where the people then go for go get water, and then the policeman then go through with the water all, seize the things then at their hand.
Before I come to that water and you say, I just clear this small point when you say, Saloma, where they get each, they take miles, something like that. We they tell you the challenge you now say, we are people away law abiding. You know, just take note of the lockdown. The first day of the lockdown, you see the streets them, they see the video the way they go around. So that don't permit the man they for go beat that man there. At the end of the day, the man they don't. I don't know if you don't lost his life or not faint. The other soldier whap her back on top that the man will shake go whap her back.
I'll tell you something. Some of the soldiers and police then they copy. You know, say plenty video then they go out where they see some soldier man them and waiting they beat people in other parts of the country. Then they copy and then see pleasure in that day. Some of them, they don't say they don't slap person. The small opportunity where they get for slap person or beat person and they really do them. So
okay. But you're not supposed to. You're not supposed to be. You're really not supposed to be. So don't forget about that. And come to this one again as Stako. Where the people that live at home. You know, say before the lockdown, we get some time where people don't lock.
3 days.
Good. So they don't come to the lockdown. The lockdown can start. You understand? And then pump can open. And my brother, I tell you for free, WhatsApp alive. without water, me and you not able to do nothing. So if the people that take that chance there for common, not just street them common, they meet and they play sex, then they dance, or they meet them by any other thing by argument. You understand? Upon you meet the people them, and some of them don't get, you get exhibit say, now get they can't get. You see the rubber, you see the water. Not unless a troop of officers then come when a Sierra Leone police officer are there for protect and guide you. Then come, they meet the people them, they're not able, they don't want it for Sierra Leone police lack of advice, they're not the advice, they believe on brutality too much. They don't advise the people, they don't talk to the people, they jump into the people, they all take them, they begin to throw the water, take their containers, and they put them in the van, which is not right. They throw the water, they go water out for them as salon so they put the containers there. Not only we see another police troop come, but can't tell this policeman the way they do this act say, not to the right thing is for do. So that's not tell you say the police divided into so many sections there where some of them know waiting a paper, some of them don't know, some don't even know the job where they do. They just go join the police force, or they will get an anti-mort at the end of the day, if they take civilians for an advantage, or they hustle on top of their head. Why make I use the word hustle? That container as they trust me and you now Saloma. Where you see the police and they for long hold that container, they have police, they empty containers and there is no way they play against them. Some of them just they take their containers and they sell them or go into their house.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah. Alright, we know say that can happen. We know rule that at all for saying not will ever happen. It happen. Then it will possible say they will get for seller because they will put and say at the end of the day, see that they can't go at the host or they go sell them. Now move to another one. This clipper they can play. We get one clip where they go on again with Fatima talk about mob justice. Not so this not the thing where I be the tell on say, so shock me with Fatima talk. After we play this clip of Fatima, I will get for play for you another clip will shock me when I think with Fatima talk now the media again. But still, let's listen to waiting Fatima talk concerning this mob justice, as a first lady, and let me listen, then we will get for talk a bit about them.
I'm not left for Yeri in this country. True now, I'm not left for Yeri at all in this country. I swear to God. That one day when I'm not left for Yeri, now I go to tell you every day. Because true, you know they kill. They say if you true not carry go heaven, you know they carry go hell. So this true, I will continue for talking. Now we praise President BOC. Well done, sir. You have done your best. And now we tell the one the way that they sabotage, what they do say. If we catch you now, would they begin the mob justice now? Would they beat you in the public? We make like all man no say now una bad habits more man.
This now what Fatima talk mob justice. So me now we don't make her afraid. Any day while we wake up morning, sir, grab sir say, Dr. Bio, good morning, sir. God bless you. Thank you, sir. You don't try because I know why they see me like sabotage you. I know why they Fatima say I don't sabotage the government. Dr. Bio, don't try, sir. I'm glad for you, sir. Anything we do, we fine. We angry, we fine. We get work, we fine. We not get work, we fine. Thank you, sir. Now that's me the panel.
But let me tell you something. The president who we get not a bad president. The people that we surround them, now they're bad. And I do believe say he said they listen to them. You understand? This lady we talk about Naya Fatima Bio. For any reason, when Fatima Bio come at the media, it cause problem. How? If you check when the man gets this power, if me and you two go now at the archives, you understand, forget all the speech that the president don't give, with the speech that Fatima Bio don't left. Fatima Bio speech that don't go past the man. So we don't know if na the president or na the man at the president. For me, they look at and say, if Fatima get away, he take that stuff to another Bio in hand. Due to the accident, what did he do? You understand?
See. When Fatima they talk, when he can come at the media, he can vex.
Not me alone. At any time when Fatima come at the media, everybody they get angry.
Okay, I've been feeling say Fatima Bio, for change in Donald Trump. We for begin first of all for call her Fatima Trump, and number two, Fatima for married to Donald Trump, so he will get the name Fatima Trump because they all two they talk the same way, they don't care. Mother Bio for married to Donald Trump human because they all two know they talk boku. What do you think?
You're not able to talk. You're not able to talk. And let me just go straight to the video where he just plays to towards the way I beat na that video. And when he watched, he watched the way he talk, the things that they can go on right now. Say, when they begin slap una jishno, some of them they begin put na the na they beat na, and if you don't see where so Jaman they don't lay somebody who just talk for jishno na spirit, then beat him, because he faint, we don't know or he lost his life, at the end of the day, then beat him on top of the back. You understand? Policeman they meet somebody, he they slap him, then they, you know, Fatima, to me, it just stand like say, what if Fatima, the video where he push so, it's like, you don't pass instruction to the police and soldiers that say, let them do this mob justice. Because we see how they treat two people right now, which is not right.
Okay, me, anytime, from why I this video, Fatima, you know, if he talk anything where people are vex, me, I'm not the vex again, you know what he made? Fatima like talk. Fatima, they get fun in talk. Fatima like noticement, so me, I need vex again.
No, but that side, they don't tell us so that we first play it.
Why?
We just get talk for long director, waiting for you and waiting not for you.
Not for me say, okay, let's say something. Fatima and NSSF talk say, a leg will talk. Listen to this.
I've always been a crazy girl. I've always liked attention. Even when I'm in school, I always volunteer to do debates and anything to do with talking. I like it. So I think I express myself more when I talk than when you give me pen and paper to write stuff.
You don't hear you waiting Fatima and NSSF talk? What do you think? Now me talk?
But you look like say, I agree with you now. I agree with you because now he say, not to you say. I don't get that from you, but Fatima Abio, you really need for taking time. You know, Salon, we get a culture. You, woman, when you married to man, certain things that they here for wait for let you man take decision. There is no way Fatima forgot impose of justice to people of Sierra Leone.
No, but no, wait. You man don't talk. Say sometimes they just like talk. It can get fun and it can let them notice and a small corner. So I'm only accurate for that one thing. Yeah, and let this one talk. Don't listen and back, man. Don't listen them.
I've always been a crazy girl. I've always liked attention. Even when I'm in school, I always volunteer to do debates and anything to do with talking. I like it. So I think I express myself more when I talk than when you give me pen and paper to write stuff.
Let me tell you other thing. You really know say Fatima na one man first lady the world don't get you don't ever get respect for that country.
How?
Good. And we take we mind them back. The late President Kaba.
Patricia Kaba.
He began to man also so.
Yeah.
The former President Omar.
Yeah, Makuma. Yeah.
I want you to compare the behavior of them two people there, them three people there. Compare them through the day with how Fatima they behave right now. Why they can say she don't get respect for that country? One video where Fatima even go to Gambia, where he go more or less we can see. I watched that video and not feel good. Usa he make a speech for Side. He come out salon in rough one. He dey tell the people of Gambia for any time he can Gambia. He look. So tell me, what's your waiting? We not decent. We don't get people.
No. Wait. Fatima don't tell you just not say.
I've always been a crazy girl. I've always liked attention, even when I'm in school.
If for the mind you watch them, if for the know what for talk, when you let talk, you get for know what they talk and know how you talk.
Okay. I know I don't waste my energy for Fatima Bio. No, for Fatima Trump. I know I don't waste my energy for him. Not just left him. He don't talk him. Say, in a crazy girl. He just like noticement. He just like for lay waiting. When they talk, they get fun. It just wants more for the people and they notice them.
He like camera.
Yeah.
It's not that they snap it
No, that's normal. So why you ask the one now? I'm not feeling after this particular program, people ask the one for Fatima again.
No, well, me, I just pray let it change. If not to that, he always put in man one problem. Because for some of them talk away they talk. It make people that they look at and say, Iman aware or Iman in support, which we don't know if he is support or he not in support. So he really get for taking time. You as a first lady, get for know how you talk, you get for know how you talk.
Okay, I will leave this now because we only come to the end. But before we go, let's just give the figures of the coronavirus for today. And the one that we dying at over 76,500. The one that we now over 293,900. And the one that we don't get over 1,366,000. And then don't get the 6 so far. Well, I think so we left the program now so today. And we go join Fambule again in another edition. But if you not don't subscribe it, please use few seconds of your time for subscribe. Justin, I think say we left you now and we left Fambule now today.
Okay, I just want to say we appreciate to viewers them, the number who don't go now, to the subscribers them. We tell them thank you, and we will continue for you now what you want. Allow the go more and more. I thank you now for our support. Usman Justin, until we meet again at the next edition. Alright, God bless you, and we don't pass over 300 now, so we tell you thank you. Please, if you not subscribe it, it doesn't cost you anything. Use few seconds of your time and press the subscribe button, press the notification bell. If you like this video, please now give it thumbs up. And what do you think about all what we discussed? Please leave your comments below, yeah? My name is Ali Usise, and on the line I've been guest Usman Justin will join me for our talk about this issue today. And tomorrow people in go back and see, but that don't mean say, you know, if you do already you're not supposed to do. This is Corona time and we for be very careful. Until we meet again, God bless you, stay safe.